D-Dog?
Bury.
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 No, we're not.
Here we are.
Going to Radcliffe.
That lad's quite.
Asking. Joshy, plan going into this game?
Saving them all.
Saving them all?
Yes.
That's what you're both in at the same time.
Yeah. Oh. Hey mate. How many have you got here, Ian? Half the team or one of them?
About 14, I think. You ready? He's good, isn't he? Oh! Simondo flattened. Simondo flattened. Ooh. That hurts. Go on, Joshy. Go on, Joshy. Great ball.
Well in. To them. Are you going on to play? That's good. Oh. Come on, Josh.
Half time. Against Bury Jigsaw. How's your game going, Pierce?
Been good passing, great defending. Don't know what the score is though.
8-5, I think.
8-5.
Yeah. Good defence, Pierce, as well.
Heading to the second half, what are you going to be doing?
I'll be back on and hopefully do the same.
More of the same?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Just wonderful. Merry Christmas. Stevie, how you doing? How's that game going?
It's good. I'm a keeper.
And now you're going in goal.
Who said you are?
Right, say so.
You want to say some goals?
Yeah.
I got a pair of goalkeeper's gloves, but I'm not going in goal.
I'm going to go to practice.
Go on, Rob. Oh! Great effort. Not Luke. Come on, D-Dog. Keep going, D-Dog. Oh! Going, Matty B.
Alright.
How's this game going?
Good.
Are we winning?
Yeah.
I don't know if we are actually now. Oh, we're still winning.
Yeah.
Joshy. Go on, Pierce. Oh, D-Dog. Finish change. Oh.
Come on,
Chris, how did that game go?
very good, thank you, yeah.
A win for AFC Masters.
It were indeed.
A good friendly
Yeah, it
to keep us active before our league games.
That's right, indeed.
Tell us about your performance.
Yeah, it's really good, thanks. Yeah, I was playing more like a striker role, and I was going between striker and central forward, and I was setting people up with goals.
Yeah.
Before, you know, like when I set you up with that goal.
Yeah.
During the period of the game.
Yeah, it's good.
Did you enjoy it?
I did, yeah. I did. Thank you very much. TV with D-Dog. Off he goes on his adventures.
To the gym.
To the D-Dog. D-da-dee-dee-dee.
So we got that thing out.
Watch your head.
Watch my head.
Goes. Adventures of D-Dog. D-da-dee-dee-dee.